Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can add Gcash as payment method in Facebook. So let's get started. To get started, open your Facebook app. This method works on both mobile devices and desktop, but I'll be using the app for this tutorial. Once you're in the app, tap on the menu icon. If you're on an iPhone, you'll find it in the bottom right corner, while Android users will see it in the top right. After tapping it, you'll be directed to the main menu. Now, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then select Settings from the expanded list. From here, look for Orders and Payments and tap it. This section allows you to manage your saved payment methods. Next, select Credit and Debit Cards. On the next screen, tap on Add Debit or Credit Card. Now here's something important to note. Facebook doesn't directly show Gcash as a listed option. However, you can still add your Gcash MasterCard here. If you don't have a Gcash card yet, you'll need to request one via the Gcash app or by searching Gcash MasterCard application online and following the official instructions. Once you receive your card, come back to this section and enter your Gcash MasterCard details. After filling in the information, tap Save. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.